What's up, what's up, what's up? Mincoity here. We're going to do an unboxing and review on the Razer Seiren Mini. Yeah, so let's get to it. I purchased this from Walmart. Yeah, when it was on sale for $59.99. So we're gonna take a look at what this can do. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is unbox it, if I may. Tape. So we're gonna slowly take off this tape. Nah, forget it. Here's some ASMR for you. Alright. So the microphone I'm using right now is like a Logitech headset, USB headset. And we're going to take a look at what this does. Okay, so here's a sarcophagus. Ooh! Alright, let's see. Oh wow, this is beautiful. So Seiren Mini, it's time to be heard. It's time to get seen and be heard. Interesting. Isn't that the American dream? Getting seen and heard? Oh shoot. Looks like it has one of those ports I've been complaining about. Has a USB, micro USB. Which was another reason why the Shrew, I didn't go with the Shrew right now. The Shrew M7 because it had a problem with the port. Also, the Snowball also had a problem with the port. But it looks like this has the same port, so I'm not sure how this is going to go. But maybe if I'm careful with it, it won't die on me. Alright, so here's the, woo, I love the sound of that. Oh, yeah. I think this is the biggest microphone I ever had. In width, maybe? I don't know. Alright. Let's take a look at this. Let's plug it in. Go screw it onto the base. Alright. Come on. Is it counterclockwise? No, it should be clockwise. Shoot. Alright. I have to yield to it. I yield to you. Razer Seiren Mini. I yield to you. Alright. I think I have to. Oh god. Let's see. Alrighty. This is fun. Looks like it tilts a little. Yeah, it's actually moving. Yeah, is this lubricant? What the heck? Alright, let me try this again. Alright, now this is not a sponsored video, but Razer, if you want to sponsor me, yes you may. Alright. I don't know why this is so difficult for me. Take me out to the ball game. Weird. Why is it not screen on? Weird. Weirdo. Alright. Is there anything else in here that helps me screw it on? Oh. There we go. Oh gosh. Since this is the bathroom, I'm gonna rinse that off. All clean. Alright, all clean. Alrighty. Now this makes more sense. I can screw this in. Oh gosh. You know, it was a bit sticky when I was washing it off. I think that's because of the lubricant. Alright, this is making much more sense. Alright. Oh, see, here's that tilt I was talking about. Oh, had an echo sound to it. Like, dong! Alright. Here's a little belt. Alright, I'm gonna spank myself. Ow! What the heck? Alright, that's not a good idea. Alright. Oh, I love this green. I love green. Yeah, we also have some green right here. Green, green, green makes me forgive that you have a micro USB. Alright, gonna plug it into here. Sorry for being slow, y'all. I just had spine surgery. And whip surgery. Like, so severe. Alrighty. Here we are. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna test out the mic from this distance. Some different tests. So we're gonna test the logitech, we're gonna check this mic, and we're gonna check default. Logitech. Razer Seiren. Is that the right way? Yeah. Default Samsung S23 Ultra microphone. Yeah, we did it. Okay, so I'm a bit surprised that it did the recording through microphone on this. So that's so cool to me, actually. I was hoping that this would be able to be compatible with my phone. And it looks like it is, or at least the phone indicates it. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy the unboxing. Please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, leave whatever. It would really help me grow the channel and really help me grow my smile. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed, and yeah, thank you all for watching. I super appreciate it. Okay, I'm gonna take a listen to the video I recorded with the microphone, the Razer Seiren, because I'm not sure what it sounds like. What? I listened to the one when it was like not the right way, and then like when I turned it around, it was like much better quality. It was like very clear sounding. I'm like, oh my gosh, that was amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be using this microphone like more often. I mean, not this one, the Samsung one, not the Samsung, but the Razer Seiren. So like, it's better than I expected. So, OMG. Thanks for watching.